Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by connecting live data sources so the Siem has something to analyze right away. Set up credentials and API tokens, then enable a small test ingest to validate formats. Once done, verify time synchronization and retention settings so alerts and timelines line up accurately. Make sure parsing rules match your log schemas, otherwise, events get lost. This front-loading saves hours later. Now you have a steady feed. Proceed to normalize and enrich the incoming logs. You now normalize and enrich so alerts mean something. Parse raw logs into fields, standardize timestamps, and map to a consistent schema. This enables correlation across sources. Next, enrich events with asset context, user identity, and threat intelligence so risk scores are meaningful. Once enriched, author correlation rules that combine indicators into detections, then test them against historical logs. Make sure to iteratively tune thresholds and add exceptions. Otherwise, you'll drown in false positives. Keep refining until alerts are actionable. You finalize by wiring alerts into operational workflows so responses are fast and consistent. Define notification channels and playbooks, who does what, when, and how. Automate containment for routine, low-risk incidents and escalate novel or high-risk detections to analysts. Once live, measure alert volume and mean time to respond, then iterate. If something goes wrong, missed alerts or noisy output, first check ingestion and parsing, then mapping and rule logic. Finally, verify time drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.